Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Wills, and if you find this video to be useful, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you 5 low competition gigs that you can actually sell on Fiverr. Now Fiverr, as you can see, is an online marketplace where people come to sell different types of skills and products. For example, you have people selling graphic design skills, you have people selling writing skills, and so on. So I want you to put till the end of the video, and you'll be able to see those 5 low competition gigs that you can start selling on Fiverr and make good money. So the first type of low competition gig is product label packaging. So you go to the search bar and search product label packaging. So you can see we have 14,860 services available. This means that 14,860 freelancers are selling their product level packaging services on Fiverr. So to make, now before we go to making the labels, I just want to show you an example. For example, this guy here is one of the top rated sellers. He has done 551. We have another one here with a 5-star review or rating, and he has made over 1,000 gigs at the rate of $40. So you can just open the profile and we want to see. You can see, wow, this guy has 65 orders on the queue. This means that this is a really high demand gig. So if you want to learn how to make these product designs, there are several ways you can do that. One of the ways is to go to YouTube. You can easily learn how to go and search a product label design. So you can use a software called Canva. If you choose that, we have these videos. People are showing how you can do that kind of design. So you make your product labels, then you sell them on Fiverr. So that's the first one. Then we go to the second one. You can also sell another gig called NFTs. NFTs are on high demand in the recent times. So you choose that keyword, NFT smart contract. So you can see there are 9,665 services available. So you can see we have people who are making good money here. NFTs, $300, $500, and so all these services are here and people are making good money. So the same way, if you want to know how to design NFTs, you can use YouTube. NFT design. So there are so many videos. If you are good at Photoshop, you can use Photoshop. If you are not good at Photoshop, you can choose Canva, and you'll be able to do that kind of design. So the next low competition gig I want to show you is jersey design, for those who are into sports. Okay, so we have considerably few freelancers or sellers with this gig. So we have 681 services available for jersey design. You can see these are jerseys for different sports. If you are a fan of any of these sports teams, like if you are a Manchester, Chelsea, you are, and any other type of sports, you can see there are so many types of designs. Okay, and you can, let's try and see how many orders does this seller have. So you have this one has one order in the queue. Maybe we go back and check another one. Let's see these top rated sellers. You can see this one doesn't have any order in the queue. Let's check another one. Also this one doesn't have an order. Okay, this one has one order on the queue. So maybe football is also football or sports. They are usually also seasonal, but you can make money doing that. Then the third one, gig you can sell, which is low competition, is making patterns. I mean, this is the fourth one, pattern making, pattern maker. So you use that keyword. So you can see we have only 138 services available. Now the patterns are for people like tailors, people who are into fashion design, people who are designing new fashion products. So you can find so many different types of designs. We have these designers looking for people who can come up with unique designs. So you can also learn how to do that. You simply go to YouTube, you can learn how to you can learn how to
Grammarly makes editing one click simpler.
how to design patterns for clothes. You can see there's already good tutorials. People are willing to teach you how to make these designs. So that is pattern making. Then another low competition gig you can do on Fiverr is writing motivation letter. So if you hit the search, you can see we have only 277 sellers for motivation letters. You can see this profile here. You can see what is in the package. I will edit and proofread your existing motivation letter, maximum 250 words. So that he does that for $30. And there are so many ways you can learn how to write a good motivation letter. Then you place your gig, create your gig on that, and start selling on Fiverr. Then another low competition gig within the same line of writing is that you can be a creative writer. You can be a creative writer. So you see here creative writing. It is not too much saturated. You can see here we have 5,157 sellers, and for example this one has done how many orders? 510, and it's already having one on the queue. So those are 5 types of gigs with low competition, and I will be creating another video to show you more videos you can more gigs you can create on Fiverr and start making money. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.